Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an account on Discord. So let's get started. Click on open. So if you already have an account on Discord, just click on login. If you don't have if you are a new user, then click on register. So here username means you need to enter, you need to set same as your Facebook name. So my Facebook name is this one. This is my Facebook name. So I have to type the same exact name as my Facebook. You also have to do the same. Sorry for it. So click on enter your email. It should be the valid one. And then password, then click on create an account. So once you are in, so here just click on the cancel button X and then click on here and go to the my account for setting profile picture. And here my account is still not verified, so click on verify account and then reset my email verification. Then go to the Gmail app, refresh it. So here I got an email from Discord. Open it, click on verify email. Just wait. Here it is. So here you will get an option like it will say to click on to it will get an recapture. So you need to click on I am not robot and then verify you are a human. Then click on continue to Discord. So you can see the option. So it will not showing like your account is not verified yet. So my account is verified. So here you need to set the picture profile picture same as your Facebook one. So click on edit account. So not sorry this one. So click on here. So still I didn't download that picture. So go to the Facebook. So it should be you need to set the profile picture Discord profile picture same as your Facebook one. So click on it and then profile picture. I need to download this one. Save to phone. Okay, it was saved on my device. Then click on here and then photos. Upload. So I successfully created an account on Discord and it was matched. It would match my Facebook one. So okay, that's it guys for today. So once you are done and then click on this one save button, it will be saved. Okay, once you are done, just take a screenshot of it and then send to your onboarding mode so he can verify whether you are successfully created an account on Discord, whether it matches to your Facebook one or not. So thank you for watching guys.